This video will show the simple process of how to replace a Goldenrod fuel tank filter element or canister. To replace the element in a see-through bowl filter, start by turning off the flow of fuel. Then remove the bowl from the top cap, ideally with the 491 fuel tank filter wrench. Its specially designed grooves fit over the notches on the side of the bowl, greatly reducing the chances of cracking or breaking it. Once you have taken off the bowl, unscrew the element, then completely screw in your new element. Since a new gasket comes with every new replacement element, now is a good time to replace it from the top of the bowl, or it may be stuck inside the top cap. Insert the new gasket into the channel at the top of the bowl, screw it tightly back into the top cap. Then you can resume the flow of fuel through the filter. It's even easier to replace the canister on spin-on canister filters once you've shut off the fuel flow. Simply use a pipe wrench or something similar to loosen and remove the canister from the top cap. And don't worry about scratching or otherwise damaging it, since you'll just be throwing the entire canister away once you get it off. Screw a new replacement canister into the top cap until it's tight. Then you're free to restart the fuel flow. Thanks for watching. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos about Goldenrod fuel tank filters, then let us know what else you'd like us to cover about our filters or any other DL product.